Hey guys, Rowdy Dog down in the dog house. I've got this new battery charger for my golf cart here. It's a 36 volt for lead acid batteries. Look at the way it dispensates the heat off this thing. It's got a little fan in it right there. And the cord is really long too. It's got a good long cord on it. I bet that's a good 10-foot long cord. I like that, so I can have it kind of remoted to my golf cart. I'm getting ready to get my golf cart in here. My golf cart is a D configuration plug-in, and if you guys have golf carts, you know what I'm talking about. And this thing gives you these indicator lights. You got flashing red, battery not connected, gives you all the little chart right here, so you can get your it's supposed to be a rapid charger, so we'll see how fast this thing charges. It's smart charging for lead acid batteries. Solid green, and see the light. Where's the light at? It's right here. There's the little indicator light, and that'll blink red whenever it's charging, and then it'll blink yellow whenever it's almost charged. I think it's 80% charged, and then it'll blink green and then go full solid green once it's fully connected and fully charged. But we'll get a look and see. I'll get my golf cart in here because it is getting cold here, man. And I'm telling you, it is cold here, guys. And I'll get my golf cart in here because batteries don't like the cold. I'll get my golf cart in here and we'll get it warmed up and put this charger on it, see how long it takes, okay? Y'all stay tuned. Okay, guys, here we are. Got my golf cart in my shop here. I'm gonna prop my seat up. That's what you're supposed to do to help dissipate the heat. Well, I'll do that after I get it plugged up. Here's my golf cart charger right here. I kind of like to give you these little belts here, these little Velcro belts to hold to strap on the cords and everything. That's kind of cool. That way when you bundle it up and store it, you've got those little belts. That's kind of cool. Okay, now I got my grandkids and some mulch on the back of my golf cart here. This golf cart does work. It don't do no golfing. It might have one time in its life, but it don't do it here. All right, now that cord, I like how long that cord is. That's cool. Very long cord. I'm gonna set that right up there. And then here's my D configuration on my charger right there. I'm gonna plug it in right here. Boom. There's plugged in. I need to open my seat up so I can vent off the stuff. I'll do that. And this cord too is really long. Look how long this cord is. That's great. So you can set it up and have it go a long way. I still have plenty of cord left over. Okay, it's got this fan in it to dissipate. Look at this. Look how long that cord is. Isn't that great? And there's you can see the charger blinking red. This thing was running down. I almost didn't make it up the hill back to my shop, but I got it set up. It's 4:15 now. 4:15 p.m. I'm gonna set that right there. Can y'all see that? See the red light blinking right there? Right there it is. You may not be able to see it. Can you see it? Let's look at the time here. What time is it? There it is. Okay, that says, what does that say? 4:16? That's what it says on my shop clock. So, most of the time, guys, I just put my charger on at night, and then I come back in the morning, things charged. So that's what I'll do here. I like the fact that this thing is a fast charger, but again, I don't need it. It says it'll charge within 4 hours, but I'm not really worried about that. As long as it's green when I come in here in the morning, I'll be good to go. But nice charger, guys. I love the vents and the heat dissipation fins on it. Keep it cool so I don't have to worry about it overheating. It's a 36 volt. It puts out 18 amps of power. Love it has the indicators on it. It's really nice. All right, guys. I'll check with you guys later. We'll come back in the morning when I get down here to the shop, usually about 7:30, and we'll check it out. All right. Y'all take care. I'll see you in the morning. Stay tuned. Morning, gang. Rowdy Dog. It is 8 o'clock, 8:02. And I'm back in here to check on my golf cart charger. Here it is right here. full solid green. There she is. I plugged it in at what, 4:15, 4:16 yesterday, and the thing charged fully overnight. I didn't come back in here till I just walked in here just now. They hit the door at 8 o'clock. So, and she's fully charged. So now I can take this loose, put my seat down, and get ready for another day's work. I got about 8 bags of mulch I got to get put on the flower beds and the gardens, get ready for winter. Anyway, guys, nice product, really is. I mean, that thing worked great. I'm not exactly sure when that it finished charging, but for me, it worked great. That's what I do. I'll bring my golf cart in here and put it on overnight. And I've had chargers that didn't charge overnight, and that's not good. This one charged it up, no problem at all. Anyway, there it is right there, guys. Y'all check these guys out. They make a nice product. Whoa. I got shaking around there. Look at the top. Look at how deep the heat dispensation vents are on this thing. Got a nice fan in it. It's cool to the touch. It's not hot at all. It's been on the charger all night long, so that's pretty good. Anyway, it gives you your scale there. And again, this one is a D config. There's your D. All right, guys, y'all take care. That's what the old ratty dog knows. Y'all have a good one.